Hey guys, I didn't really want to have to make this video, but I really see no way around it. I think there's something that is festering in the motion design community that we really need to bring to the light and have a discussion about, especially here on YouTube. It's something that affects every single tutorial video I've ever seen, and that is, I know you guys are gonna know exactly what I'm talking about the second you see it, is if I type in anything in the search bar, let's say C4D tutorial, and I click on any one of these. I click on any one of these tutorials. It can be Softer, it can be Matt Candor, let's say Twisterelli. Let's just click on this one. This little orange swimming man is suggested on every single tutorial video I've ever seen. I think it's suggested on just like any video I watch. He's just always there in the corner swimming. And this video has 16 million views and is an hour and 25 minutes long. Like, what is going on? Is this some deep conspiracy about how can this orange man infiltrate every single aspect of your life? I just really don't know what's going on with this tutorial. How do I get 16 million views on a video? You know? What do I gotta do? Put a little orange man in a Speedo on every one of my thumbnails? Is that the only way? What's happening?